Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, we're doing ZR shit. This is an engine, believe it or not. I'm not painting that yet, because I really can't be arsed. That's going to be one of the last things I do. But today we're doing intercooler shit. New intercooler turned up about 2 weeks ago, I'm not going to lie. It turned up just after I uploaded the other video. We're doing intercooler piping. There's a pipe there. I'm doing it slightly different to what most people do. Most people do a 90 off of here, 90 down, and then 90 in. I'm doing 45, 45, 90. I'll explain, or you'll see when I get to it. This side I do need a new coupler for here because I absolutely butchered it when I cut it up, but for now it'll do. Anyway, yeah, I painted the rear arch. It's over there. You can't fucking see it because exposure and shit. But I've rolled the rear arch, painted the rear arch. I need to paint that wing, paint the roof. That's about it, to be fair. Still need to do the door on the other side. The rear quarter is primed, not painted. So, most people, when they run their intercooler piping on ZRs and ZSs, come out of here straight out. So obviously that's going to be adjusted and tightening that up, whatever, when the top bracket's on here. Because I need to get a new one of these things that go down there to attach the top bracket. But for now, this will do, it works. Anyway, out of there, 90, and then they go 90 upwards, and then 90 that way, and come off here, getting a 90 piece for this. I didn't do that because, well, Demon Tweaks shafted me, and it took them 2 months to turn around and say, yeah, we've still not received stock, and I paid for 7-day delivery. So, you know, fuck Demon Tweaks. I say fuck Demon Tweaks, it's not really their fault, but it is. You can see it's not a perfect 90 degrees. They fucked up when they sent it in, clearly. Just like every other fucking company. This one might be a little bit too long, so I might have to use that one in the meantime. But we're going to try this one, and I've just filed all the edges down, so it's scratched up to fuck. But I want to be redoing these anyway. I want to be doing them all satin black again. But in the meantime, this will work. Actually, you won't really be able to see. That might work really well, actually, with that pipe in there. I do need to trim down there, though, because that will create an issue at some point. Because all the way down where it won't zoom again, but where that coupler is, there's a bit of metal touching it. So at some point that will need to get sorted. I am wanting to raise the cooler a little bit as well. But for now, that may work. We're going to make fucking woo-to-two noises today, boys, because we've got couplers and shit. They're covered in dust and they're fucking disgusting. And they're not the best quality, I'm not going to lie. We only need one of these, actually. Back off. Yeah, I want this piece to be coupler here, coupler there, one piece of pipe there. Coupler here, coupler there, one piece of pipe there. I don't know how I'm actually going to go about doing that. That piece might have to be 2 pieces. But for now, it works. And we're going to make woo-to-two noises today, boys. This is where it turns out this battery's dead. And yes, it's held on by cable ties. Don't fucking judge me. Yeah, let's clamp it up and fire it up and see what fucking noises it makes. That's it. So, all the intercooler piping is now done. It's solid, it's on, which is good. The only issue is, I thought one of these clamps would fit over this. It hasn't, so that might come off. Hopefully, we'll still make cool turbo noises. I've currently cable tied the ECU up there, just so it, you know, stays in place. And it doesn't short out on anything. Again, cable tied battery, fucking top quality. And that's going in the boot soon, so I'm not really worried about anything overly breaking right now. I was going to plumb in my boost gauge, but I'm not going to be making enough boost. I might only just go into positive pressure with it. Figured out what it was. This ground down here was broken. It snapped there. So I've just kind of put a loop wire for it for now. I'm going to cut it and solder it and do it properly soon. But I just want to hear some turbo noises. Started it up and it ran fine, but this connector over here is going to be the big issue for the minute. But yeah, let's hear some turbo noises, because I'm pretty sure that's what we all came here to hear, isn't it? So, well, you would have heard. There's no way you would not have heard that. We did get pressure through the pipes, but it's all leaking out of here. So, I'm going to have to, well, I've got to order one of them clamps, and this video has to wait until that clamp comes, and it's a weekend, so the clamp's going to take at least 3 days to come. But, yeah, it fucking runs, and we've got intercooler pipe, and it doesn't make noises like I wish it would, but we're almost there. Okay, so you guys probably didn't hear that. I just watched the video back and you can't hear it. You might be able to if you've got headphones or you've got very precise hearing. It does flutter. It sounds cool, but it's that fucking loud that you can't hear a fucking thing. So, I will need to sort that because, well, it's way too fucking loud. Which will be sorted soon. I could put the other bit of exhaust on, but it's not really going to make that much of a difference. And you can see down here, or I can see anyway, you guys can't. You can see build up, so the flange is slightly warped and it's causing it to blow there. But it makes turbo noises and stuff. It sounds cool. But yeah, I don't know. There's not a lot that I can really do right now because I've got no cooling system hooked up, so I can't let it run and then make boost and whatnot. But it made noises. And it was very, very faint because I really didn't want to rev it above 3k really. So yeah, that's why. But in the next video, the cooling system, I'll either do it in video or I'll do it off camera. And it will be done, and you'll be able to hear it make noises. Anyway, if you guys have enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe down below as you always do. I'll see you guys in the next bloody video.